Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn one most important tool used in AutoCAD, and that is blocks. Basically, blocks are the collection of objects that are combined together into a single object. Like here I have drawn four different objects, two rectangles and two circles. When I click on this single rectangle, only that specific rectangle gets selected. That shows these all objects are different objects, they aren't combined. So block is the combination or the collection of all these objects and making them into one single object. So to create a block, click on insert and click on create block, or you can also use the shortcut key B, enter. A block definition dialog box will appear. First, name our block. For example, I'll name it block 1, 2, 3. After that, you need to specify a pickup point. For that, click on this pickup point option and click on the logical point according to you. For example, I'll click on this point. As you see here, XYZ coordinates of that point are shown. After that, select all the objects you want to combine into a block. For that, click on this select object and manually select all the objects from the selection tool. When you select all the objects, press enter and it will take you again to the block definition dialog box. You can also change the units of the block from here. And after that, click on OK. Once you click on OK, it will take you to the block editor. Here, you can edit the block singularly. For example, I am editing only this object, like this. Also, I can add different objects here. Like this. Once you are done with the editing, click on the close block editor and click on save the changes to block. After that, our block will be created. As you can see, once you click on the object, it will act as a singular object, and the point which you have specified, only that point will act as a selection point. Now, as we have created this object, for example, I want to insert any block. For that, click on insert and click on this first option of insert block. Here, it will show you all the blocks you have created till now. So, and click on the block which you want to insert. Like this. Again, if you want to edit the blocks, for that you can use a shortcut key that is BE, enter. It will show you all the blocks and you can double click on the block you want to edit. And save the changes. The block will be edited. That's all about the blocks. Thank you.